Suzanne Greenewald, a personal stylist who wants you to love what you wear. Today I'm fielding a question from New York City. Kristen Arnett of Green Beauty Team asks, "Hi Alexandra, I'm online trying to buy winter boots. Besides black, is there another color that's neutral and good to buy? I see that there are so many choices out there this season. Gray, many shades of brown, warm browns, orangey browns, and burgundy, which I really like. I'm not sure what to buy and I would love your expertise." Excellent question, Kristen, as we've had our very first snowstorm here in New York City called Athena. My first tip would be, Kristen, to take a look at your current winter wardrobe. What is the predominant neutral color? Or what neutral color would you like to build your current winter wardrobe around? You can either choose to match your outfit, as I've done, or you can go with a complementary color. If, however, you are under 5'7", I would suggest doing a head-to-toe one color because it's always going to make you look taller, sleeker, and thinner. The more times that you cut your body, the shorter you're going to look. For example, my winter boots are actually brown because the predominant color in my winter wardrobe is brown. However, I would suggest selecting a color that's darker, not lighter. I once bought a pair of moss green boots that I hardly ever wore because I only had one outfit that they went with. So I would suggest choosing a color that goes with most of what you have. My second tip for you, Kristen, would be to take pictures of pieces in your wardrobe that you know need boots and bring those pictures with you to the store so that you can match color to color and make sure it really works for what you got. My third tip would be to stay away from rubber boots because they do not let your feet breathe and that's really not healthy. My final tip for you, Kristen, is to choose quality over quantity. When you're shopping, look for a brand like Timberland or Aquitalia who are known for their waterproof and quality boots. Now, I would love to hear from you viewers. What boots work for you in the winter? Do you have any tips, disasters, or stories to share? Please share them in the comments below my blog. If you want more Sage style advice from me, you can go to my website, alexandrastylist.com, and sign up for my monthly Style Digest newsletter. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on the web. That's all I got for you today. Thanks again. Stay warm and stylish.